Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the Firemite pet in Crow Garden. So, the Firemite that looks like this. It will look like this. It's one of the pets that you can get from the season rewards. This one, and specifically at level 2. This one. That means you will need to complete quests and earn points to level up your season progress, and so make sure you keep doing your quest over here. Just do the quest on here so you can reach level 2 as fast as possible, and once you hit level 2 you can claim the Firemite directly from the reward track over here. And now let's talk about its ability. The Firemite has a really unique ability. This one, it will sting a random pet and then raises its ability cooldown by around 40 seconds. And for every additional Firemite that you have in your garden, it will give an extra cooldown reduction bonus, making your pets activate their abilities even faster. So yeah, this pet is I think useful if you want to boost your overall pet efficiency. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.